Hi, today I'm going to talk about Tesla and Nasdaq. So if you want to know about the US market, are they still going up, or are they there's a return for them to go down? This video is for you. Welcome to channel. This channel is about money strategy, trading strategy, and money mindset. So if you like this kind of topic, like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free email list. I will hold some free webinar later. So let's look at the Nasdaq. So now you can see this chart. So this is a daily chart. You can see this is a golden ratio. It's already over 50% rebounds. So it's really strong trend. So the next, if we go ahead to hit this level, which is around 0.618, we will go to the next level, and most likely we will go above this high point. Okay, so now it's already over the 50% rebounds. Okay, so right now you can see the RSI is still in a strong trend, but I want to give you a little bit tips about what is the next resistance level. Okay, so we have one resistance level here around 14033, basically this here. Okay, so we are on the way to there very soon, actually. Okay, so you can see here there is a gap down, and then here will be our next resistance point. This get up and get down is one of the way to do resistance price or support price, is one of the example to do it. And remember, there are so many resistance and support line. So today I'm going to show you how to use get up and get down to predict where is the next resistance point. So the price go there, they will have a resistance, and you can combine with other indicator to see is it going down later. Okay, so anyway, the next resistance point is 14033. And how about the support line? The support line here would be around 13343. Okay, so this is for the Nasdaq. How about for the Tesla? I have actually made 3 video previously talk about Tesla. I have mentioned 260 is one of our resistance point. I use different method, and basically the result is very, very similar. So let's use get up, get down method again. You can see here our resistance point is 262.47. Okay, so basically you can see this candle yesterday, they hit. Wow, this is so accurate. You see, they hit the line, now they're going down. Okay, so this is our resistance level. And also in the last 3 video, please watch it. It's really, really good, and it's free. You will learn a lot from that video. I also mentioned about how to do the time interval, so you can see how long would you go. With that secret number of time interval, basically you can combine with other indicator to see is it there's a higher chance to go down or go up. Okay, so it's very useful. Every single stock is different, and you have to use it with other indicator. So this is one of the method. And if we use the get up and get down, is a similar similar level, is around 262. So basically is, let's see, would they go further down? So now you can see also this is our RSI. You can see RSI already hit 88 on this candle, right? So now hitting down. Let's see if we're still going up, because Tesla is still in our strong trend. So this is our resistance. So maybe they pull back later and then go back up again. Okay, so let's see the trend. So I want to tell you the next support line is here. So if we use get up, get down this method, the next support is 236, around 235, 236, this line. Okay, this is our next support level. If they go further down, then would be around 222, around 221, 222, this level. Okay, so basically this level. If you go down further, you go to around 208, 209. Okay, but personally, I don't think we'll go so down, well, but personally, because Tesla is a very strong trend. How to tell this is a strong trend? You can tell here Tesla 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 get up, and we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 get up. Okay, they jump up basically. They jump all the way up, and then there is no they don't come back this price level, and then they go all the way up. They have only 2 get down. So basically, this trend, this stock is a very strong stock basically. So when they pull down, we will provide us opportunity to buy in. Do you agree with me? Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free email list. Remember that. So you can see the support line next is 236. Okay, around this level. The next is 222. But anyway, so now we are at the resistance point. So according to my last free video, I have mentioned with different method to tell you this is a critical point, because on weekly chart or monthly chart, they also have this resistance point. Okay, so basically it's quite a very good method if you want to short this stock, or you want to cut the gain. Okay, you want to stop the gain. Okay, so it's one of the good method. But for the very strong trend stock, I don't really recommend people to short it, because you don't know, because it's very strong. So maybe the pullback is very little. Okay, so let's see how it goes. But personally, I think most likely will go back to here, and then they go further up. Okay, this is my first prediction. If not, and go further here, they go up, or here up. If they go further down, then I will tell you what's going on here. Okay, so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And again, this video is just for education purpose, and I hope you enjoy it. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.